Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Mad Mike Drift Attack. So I'm really not sure based on what car this is exactly, but I did own one of, I still have that and I don't know where it is. I do have one more Mad Mike Drift Attack. I think exactly this but same casting if I'm not wrong. So I do have one more Mad Mike Drift Attack, which is the Mazda, which is here. That one I personally love. So I bought it in Dubai. Yeah. So let's unbox this one and see how this one looks. Again, I bought this for only MRP, not more than that. So I'm actually putting a halt on my hunts for some time because I'm getting only J cases in my area. So far I unboxed like more than 5 J cases alone, and so a lot of people in my group already bought everything from me or from outside. So it is really pointless for me to go on hunts for a longer period of time and without getting anything in return. So okay, so here is a closer look. So the first of all, the paint job looks really nice. I personally like it. It's a matte blue finish, and it's kind of a chrome kind of finish, but I mean, like, how you can say, like a glittery kind of finish, but it is not too glittery, but it is matte. I am really not sure how to say this, but it looks really beautiful. Okay, so far I think this is the only Hot Wheels I don't have any paint issues which I bought so far. So here there is no window or anything, windshield or anything there. It is just a gap. I hope you guys can able to see it clearly. Let me just okay. I hope it is a bit good now for you guys to see. Okay. So the body is actually metal and the chassis is plastic. So the spoiler is actually plastic, it is not metal. So it is merged with the chassis here. So the rims looks really nice, especially the rear ones. I personally like this set of rims over the other ones. So the headlights are painted, and as you can see there are no tail lights here. So let's do a roll test real quick. Okay, it rolls okay. It is not fast or anything. It makes a lot of noise and it is not fast. It is not rolling that well like others which we unboxed recently, even including the Mitsubishi Pajero that rolled really well compared to this one. See, there's a lot of friction on the wheels. So I really wish someone actually does the modding thing, they replace the wheels with something really cool. So yeah, but apart from that, everything else looks really beautiful in this casting, and this is like only one in the box. I mean, it is easy to get, but still it is only one in the box, at least until so far which I unboxed. And it has rear view mirrors as well, which is really nice. So thanks for watching this video, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button, and if you love my video, subscribe. And thanks again for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.